Hello there, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create email account in cpanel for your website domain. So stay tuned. First, we must log into cpanel with cpanel login username and password, which will take us to the cpanel settings page. We need to scroll down to email section and click email account. In this page, you will find all the email accounts created in cpanel. To create a new email account, we need to click this Create button. And here we need to fill in all the details to open an email account for our domain. First, we need to select the website domain. If you have single domain in cpanel, it will be selected by default. But I have couple of domains added in my cpanel, so I need to select a domain. Next, we have to enter an username for email account in this field. For the password, we have two options. We can type and set up the password now, or if the email account is for others, like an office staff, we can add their email account. A password reset link will be sent to them, allowing them to set up the password. With the first option, we can either set up the password ourselves or we can generate a password using generate option. And finally, when we click the create button below, the email account for the domain will be created. You can see here the email account I created is set up. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for watching this video. You can watch more of my tutorial videos by clicking the playlist video links in description section of this video.